Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, Learn Machines? This right here is the rules and regulations of TrafficJunky, and this video can change your life, okay? I'm going to tell you guys some crazy important stuff. Get ready for this. As you can see, they're telling you the rules and all these things. So, understand when you break the rules, you can actually make a lot of money, okay? I'm not saying do it, but I'm saying look for opportunities to be able to do it. So cartoon ads, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's see. General. So online gambling. Okay, I don't believe that's necessarily allowed. Let's see. The following is not allowed and or forbidden. So look, these things have made money in the past, but people abused them. Okay, and obviously you don't want to do them. I'm not saying do them at all. I'm saying if you could find a way to do the ones that are good, okay, but are somewhat gray hat, then do them. Okay, if you could find a way. Okay, any form of deep fake, don't do that. Racial stuff. Okay, sexual. Okay, obviously not that. Okay, I'm trying to find the ones that really crush it. Promotion of ad blockers, don't do that. Exit blocking, like people can't leave the site. The use of automation bots. Okay, let me show you what I was really here to show you guys. Okay, look, pharmaceuticals, blah, blah, blah. Firearms, can't do that, of course. Can't do these things that are prohibited in any adult ads, I'm sure of it. Okay, and they don't make money. All right, so the following is not allowed and or forbidden. Malvertising. Okay, so malware, scareware, misleading fearmonger ads, alerts and exit pops. So antivirus stuff makes money, okay? Sweepstakes you actually can do. I promoted a lot of, okay, sweepstakes. But the thing about a sweepstake is they just have to approve it and allow it. Okay, and if they don't like the sweepstake, they ain't gonna allow it. Okay, but that's something that they allow a lot of. Okay. But a sweepstake, when it first was started, there was no fear of entering a contest and it was totally trustworthy in the past. Now you gotta have a good trustworthy recommendation, and people have to trust that they can win, and a sweepstake does very well, okay, with adult. Just remember, it's very, very cold traffic, all right? Timed redirects, antivirus, backjacking, all these different things. Vibrations, anything misleading is not allowed, and that's very vague, and so it doesn't matter, okay? So you want to promote, obviously, hot offers that are just crazy. I mean, they convert. You want to find offers like that, and if you don't have that, you won't make money. So you got to find the craziest offers or make them yourself. Okay, I've done a lot of both. And knowing how to find the right offers, I will train you guys on how to do for sure. Okay, I have it inside the adult course, and I have it for free as well. I will teach you guys. Okay, but anyway, you got to have hot offers, and then you run traffic. You can direct link, or you can have a funnel. And there's a lot of important things to understand about a funnel. I will teach you guys throughout this process, okay? I'm focusing big time on teaching people about adult marketing because everyone's curious about it, okay? All my other channels are on hold. I don't think I'll even make content on them very much. Okay, here we are. Desktop. Okay, these are just the multiple different platforms. Let me show you the other thing I wanted to show you guys inside here. You got RedTube, you got Tube 8, you got XTube, all these freaking weird websites here. Okay, that's basically it. I think it is. But anyway, guys, the thing is I want to end you with here is to let you know if you do offers that somewhat are gray hat for some reason, maybe it makes a ton of money and they don't want any competition for it, that's when you crush it. Anything wealth related like gambling or make money or anything like sweepstakes, even like weed or something like that or cannabis, you will see big money from that. And you will see obviously big money from finding the hugest offers you can promote. And I swear I will have a lot of videos talking about how to promote different offers that I find that are hot offers, and I will give you guys training in this channel how to promote them. Okay, and you will crush it and you will make a lot of money, guys. I hope you're super excited. Thank you for watching Learning Machines. I will see you guys later. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.